You can read a .py file, but a PYC file is compiled computer code. It's not meant for humans. You need to decompile it to see the logic. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain how it works. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small PYC errors. Take a shortcut and download now. A PYC file is a compiled version of a Python script, py file. When a Python script is executed, the Python interpreter compiles it into bytecode, which is then stored in a PYC file. This allows for faster execution of the script in subsequent runs, as the compilation step is skipped if the PYC file is up to date. PYC files are platform-independent bytecode files. They are automatically generated by the Python interpreter when a py file is imported. The bytecode is specific to the Python version used for compilation. These files are not meant to be directly edited and are automatically regenerated when the source.py file is modified. For viewing and interaction, PYC is most commonly opened via Python from Python Software Foundation. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows shows the script plainly, but running it needs a trusted and correct runtime. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your PYC file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Python if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. If your PYC file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The error you're seeing is standard for a PYC file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, recognize the file type. Understand that a PYC file is a compiled bytecode file created by the Python interpreter and is not meant to be executed directly by double-clicking. Next, run the original script. To run the code, execute the original py file in the Python environment, which will automatically check the PYC file for freshness. Finally, check Python version. Ensure the PYC file was compiled by the exact same major/minor version of Python you are currently using, or the interpreter will reject the file. When every program rejects your PYC file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format regardless of its current label. Stop worrying about corrupted data. FileMagick will instantly show you what's inside the broken PYC file, offering a chance to recover data that other programs would miss. Available at filemagick.com. That was the most time-saving solution. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.